Good morning, boys and girls. If you think back to yesterday, we were talking about using informational text or books to figure out if we're learning things from the picture or from the text, because we can learn from both things. So it's important that we are always paying attention to the pictures as well as the words when we're reading. Okay, so today we're going to practice what we were learning about yesterday. The directions say study the picture and read the text. Then read each statement and decide if you learned that from the text or the picture. Circle which one. Or you may have learned it from both the text and the picture. So the first thing I want you to do is to just really study the picture that you see here. Okay, and now we're going to read the text. It says, tigers are big cats. They live in the wild. There are several kinds of tigers, including Siberian and Bengal. Now I want you to look down here at the caption. It says, tigers are the only big cats that have striped fur. Now look down here at number 1. It says, tigers have striped fur. Do we learn that from the text, the picture, or both? Go ahead and circle which one you think. If you have this printed out, you can circle right on the page. If it's not printed for you, that is okay. You can either circle it on the screen if your device will let you, or circle it in your mind and just keep track of what your answer was. Okay, number 2, tigers are big cats. Did you learn this from the text, the picture, or both? Remember, boys and girls, that if you say that you learned this in the text, you should be able to go back to the text and show me exactly where it says that and where you learned that in the text. Number 3, Siberian and Bengal are different types of tigers. Do we learn that in the text, the picture, or both? Great job. So we're going to go over this, but not until tomorrow. I want to give everyone a chance to complete it before I give you the answers. I'm also sending your parents the answers so they will know what is correct as well. You could also check with them if you didn't want to wait until tomorrow. We're going to do the same type of thing every day this week. And then on Friday, I may try to ask you guys to write down your answers and send them to me. So you might type them into Dojo. You might print this page out and send me a picture of it. However, you can get creative to send me your answers so I can kind of see how you're doing with this. All right, we'll work on it some more tomorrow. Good job.